Hi, hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn our next topic in enriching MS PowerPoint, class 6, lesson number 8. Our next topic is the main thing about a movie is that after the content, pictures and music is added, it includes animation and transition. Animation is a special effects applied to the various objects of the slide transition. Objects. Slide transition is the about setting the time for the slides to automatically change for the next slide and also giving the effect while introducing a new slide. So adding a transition to the slides. Slide transitions are animations like effects that occur in a slideshow view. When you move on from one slide to next during on-screen presentation, this provision allows to user to control the speed of the each slide transition effect. That means simple. Animation means like in the presentation, making the presentation like a movie, and present transition means it's like from one slide to another slide. That time between the changing from the one slide to another slide, that is called transition. So let us have a look how to steps to add the slide transition. Yeah, steps to add slide transition to all the slides. Click on transition tab. It will display various transition effects. Select the transition effect like fade, wipe out and more transitions to the slides group. Click on the desired effect to apply your presentation. You will get the preview on the transition effect. You can also specify a sound played while transition from one slide to other slide. Specify the whether you want to advance the slide on mouse click or after time. Next one is custom animation. You can animate the text, objects or content of your slides using the animation options available with the PowerPoint. Also, you can create your own custom effects. Steps to add animation to the text and object. Select the text or object on the slide that you want to animate. Click animation tab and click add animation button in the advanced animation group. A list of animation appears under following categories. To make the text or object enter with the effect, point to the entrance and click on the effect. To add an effect such as pin effect, text effect and that already visible on the slide. So point to emphasis. So to add an effect to that, make the object leave slides at the point and point exit, then click on the effect. Use the start box, timing group and animation tab. Decide when an animation will start. That means custom animation means that it will be your choice. That means where this text, how the text should move inside the slides. So that is called custom animation. Next one is remove the background. MS PowerPoint has special tool that can remove the background of any image. You just need to select the image and click the image. So there is a remove background option and click on that remove background option. Now I am going to show one video. What is transition, what is animation, what is custom animation and how to remove the background. Yeah, see here. First let us see how to insert the transitions. See here it is there. See, now we'll have this, for example, reveal. Now for second one we'll select this one. Now I'm selecting here for first one. I'm selecting this one, changing this one. So see, when you play the presentation, see it will come like this. Next click, see second slide. So this is called transition. That means from changing from one slide to other slide, we will use the transitions. Now what is custom animation? As we discussed here, we can give for every text in your presentation. For example, I selected this one. Now there is animations here. Okay, now select the text here. Now let us see. We'll have this ground shrink. See, in this way it will come. Now I'll select this one also. Next one, this one should come. It should come like this one. Next, time saves. I'll select this one and fly in. Next, this one, it will be float. Now let us see, when we play the presentation, first transition will come. Next, custom animation is coming. See, uses of enter. Next, This one is happening. Next one, time saves, and last one is more comfort. For this one, second transition, here we didn't give any custom animation. Now we'll give there also. Select this one. So sorry, and I'm selecting this text, and let us give some spin. Okay, which one? White. Zoom. See, now laptop also will select, and will give inside wheel type. See, I'll keep this one here. Now let us see. This is the play button. Now first one is, see, it's coming like this, and click, laptop came. Next one, see. So this is called custom animation. Now here we discussed how to remove the background. If you double click the image, there is a remove background here. Have you seen? Click this one and select the image from where you want to remove, and select this one and click on, observe this one. See, click on keep changes. See, now only laptop is came. Not only this one, insert one more image. I'm inserting here penguins. So only penguin we require, only one penguin we require, only one. Double click this one and remove background. Now select the, from where you want to, see, I'm selecting this one and click on keep changes. See, now only one image is there. So that means in this way we can remove the background also. Next one is using action buttons. In PowerPoint we can link a slide to the website or file, or show the some in the some presentation. Linking like can be done with the help of the hyperlinks. That means we can give the links to other web pages, website, like that. So what is this action button? Action buttons are built-in buttons that you can represent to create a link to another slide or play sound or platform the other actions. Click on moves the mouse over to the action button. So selected action button will take place. Insert an action button, we need to follow the below steps. So steps to insert a action buttons. Click on insert tab, click on the shapes and recommended shapes commanded in the illustration group. A drop down menu will appear. Select an action button from the action buttons category. It's located, and insert the action buttons by dragging it into the desired location in the slide. The action button setting dialog box will appear. Select the mouse click or mouse over tab. Select the mouse click, that means action button will perform the action when it is clicked. Select the mouse over the tab, it will make the action button perform action when it is moved the mouse over it. Steps to insert action button. Next step is step 5. In the action button, click on the click section, select the hyperlink, then click on the drop down arrow, choose an option from the menu. For example, we selected the last slide, and click the play sound if you want to click the sound, and action button is clicked. Click a sound from the drop down menu, or select the other sound to use a sound file on your computer. When you are done, click on OK. Now press F5 to start the slideshow. Sharing presentation online. PowerPoint allows you to show Power presentation online so that others can view from any remote place. Open your PowerPoint presentation and choose share in top right corner of the ribbon. Click on save to cloud to save your presentation. Click on OneDrive to sign in your Microsoft OneDrive account. Click on saved, click on share with the people, and share the you can share it to the whom you want to share to the people, and click on the share button. So that means now I'm going to show the video what are action buttons and how to share the presentation online. Let us have a look on a small video. Now see, there are 3 slides we are having here. Now I'll keep one here action button. Action button, see, insert first shapes. I'll insert this shape here. See, and select this one. See the action button. So go to last slide. When I click this one, it should be go to last slide. Any sound if you want, you can keep any sound and click on OK. Now let us see, run the slideshow. See, when you click on this one, last slide, say the end. That means second slide is missing. That means we can go to any slide. In this way, we can go to any slides. You can ask, sir, where is this effects we have kept that one. So I removed for the time being. So it will take time when I need to click like this. So it will take much more time. So I removed the transitions. So in this way we can keep the action buttons. So hyperlink is also there. See, and when I click or I'll write one text here. Insert text box. I'm writing here. Click to go, click here to go to Google. So I written this one and select this one and insert, click on hyperlink, and here you need to give the right address www.google.com and click on OK. Now see it's working or not. Slide slow. See, when I click this one, Google should open. See, Google is open. That means slide is working. So that in this way you can insert the action button and insert the hyperlink also. Next one is sharing. Click on file menu. There is a save and send is there, and see here so many options. Send as PDF, send as XPF, send as attachment, save to web, and sign in. If you are having the Hotmail or anything, you can save and you can make. In this way you can, there is a save option here. Earlier we learned, see save and click on, select the location and save it, and in this way we can share the presentation. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.